Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. I'm back gaming indoor, and yeah, thanks for the support on the last video. Like it got 5.1k views. That's so much for me. 79 subscribers. Yeah, that's a lot for me. Thanks for all that. And I just got an idea that you can troll your friends that you have a lot of subscribers. And by the way, before I tell you how to do it, you don't need to edit it or go into Photoshop and do all that stuff. You can do it uh, without using any software. And by the way, if this video helps you, again subscribe because I really want to reach the goal of 1k subscribers. Hope I reach that goal one day. And yeah, that's all. I'm just gonna tell you how to do it. So first of all, what you want to do is you have to select this. Right now I have 79 subscribers, so select it and then right click, and then it will say inspect element. The shortcut key for this is Control plus Shift plus C, but you can just select the inspect element, click on it, and then this would come out. Okay. Yes. So this is all the coding and stuff. So now what you want to do is that you want to um, edit this text, and what you want to do is increase the subscribers. So I'm gonna change it to, let's say, 20k. And now once I click this, see this, 20k subscribers. So now if I close this, it will still be there. So you can tell your friends that you have 20k subscribers. And by the way, you can change any text using this. Like you can even change uh your channel name by doing the same thing. You just have to select it, inspect the element, and then you're right over here. You have to edit the text, edit text, and you can change your channel name, or I'm gonna just show you gaming indoor one. So yeah, as you can see, gaming indoor one. So you can troll your friends by doing this, so that you have 20k subscribers, and this only works for laptop or PCs, Windows. I don't know if it works on mobile, but if it does work and I figure it out, I'll probably make a new video about it. I will leave the link in the description. If there is no link in the description, that means I didn't figure it out. So 20k subscribers, you can change it to anything. Let's just say I just want to change it to a little bit more. Yeah, I just changed this to 100 million subscribers. And thanks for the 100 million subscribers, by the way. But the thing is that it doesn't changes for real. It is just a change in the coding. But as you reload it, it will go back to normal. So it is just for trolling your friends. You can take a picture and then you can show it to your friends and troll them. If you reload, it will be back to normal. So damn, now 79 subscribers look less. Subscribe guys, subscribe. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope your friends get trolled by you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, subscribe. It's enough to make me happy. It will make my day. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.